Hey there, welcome back. In this video, we'll explore the concept of Terraform providers in Terraform and how to configure them using the Terraform.tf file. Terraform providers are plugins that allow Terraform to interact with different cloud providers, services, or infrastructure providers. Providers enable Terraform to manage resources in specific ecosystems such as AWS, Azure, GCP, Docker, and many others. We'll go to Registry and click on Browse Providers. And here is a list of providers we have. So as of when I'm recording, we have 3350 and number shall expand in coming time. Each provider has its own set of resources and data sources that can be provisioned and managed using Terraform. So what we'll do is create a provider.tf file. We'll go to AWS to use the AWS provider and click on use provider. Then you can copy this code and paste it in. In your configuration options, we could paste your desired default configuration. In this example, we have used source HashiCorp AWS as in provider with version 5.8.0, and we have called the provider from required providers as AWS and added a region for it. Don't be terrified of syntax. HashiCorp language is built in such a way that it's readable and you get used to it very easily. And now in our terminal, what we'll do is Terraform in. That should initialize our project. So what this did is created a new folder called .terraform where we have providers and created a local log file for us. We'll look into this in our coming lectures. And that's it. You now understand how to configure Terraform providers using the provider.tf file. Providers allow Terraform to interact with different cloud platforms. And by defining them in provider.tf file, you can manage resources across multiple ecosystems. Happy provisioning!